warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, sixth graders. How are you? I hope you are always healthy and happy. It is English time with Miss Maya. Do you remember what we have learned last week? Yes, we learned about how to make food and drink. Today, we are going to learn about how to make a mini book. What do we need to make a mini book and how to make a mini book? Let's check it out. Today, we are going to make a mini book. These are examples of mini books. To make a mini book, we need paper. We also need scissors. We need coloring pens to decorate the mini book. You can use other coloring like crayons. Now, let's make the mini book. Step 1. Fold the paper into two. Then, fold into two again. Next, fold the paper one more time. After that, open the paper. Then, fold again into two. Now, cut the paper from the folded side to the middle. Next, open the paper and fold horizontally. Then, push the paper to the middle and fold. Your mini book is ready. Now, write a simple recipe of food or drink in the mini book. Look at the examples. Well, that is our lesson for today. Can you make a mini book by yourself? I'm sure you can. Well, I'll see you again at the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.